So let's put our GPU here. It's a bit. Oops. Voila. And then the power supply. So we connect it here like this. I think so. No. Like this, I think. No. Voila. Put the screw. So we can test it if it's fire up. Okay. So we connect our cable here. Just to test if it's working or not. Maybe we can download the BIOS after and the Windows. Yes. There is lights on the GPU. So let's try if it's working. Voila. Look. It's light up. Wow. I don't know if there is a USB here and there's a problem the connector here. Maybe we can wait for my adapter. Look. So guys, I removed this cover from here because this is a problem. It's will touch this cooling fan and we can close it. My plan is to cut here, to cut this plastic, because we only have 1 foot here, 1 foot here. I think it's okay. So I remove this one to cut, because when you put it here, it's, look, so guys, I just connected the old fan here, so we turn it on again. Okay. So turn it on. This fan is working. The fan is working. This is also a fan here. So a fan here. I don't know if the GPU is compatible. So let's put our monitor. I don't know what happened. So guys, here's my PC. It's working well now. Installing some apps. Yes. I will boot it with the external HDD. And there is no SSD inside. I wait for my order, so I put next to install the Windows. I want Windows 11. And this is my old parts. This is the old motherboard, RAM, and this is the GPU, Radeon. It's only 2 GB. And this is my cooling radiator. And the fan, the old fan, I put it there. It's working well now. But I will change it with the RGB also. I wait to my order, then I install it after. Look, it's very quiet now. Voila. This is my PC built on old Alienware, Dell Allienware R4 case. My power supply is still original. I didn't change it because it's working well, working good. And this is 850 watts. That's why I want this, because of the RGB lights here. I will install Alienware command after. Okay. And so guys, I bought an SSD, 1 terabyte SSD, 1.2 NVMe, and I bought a Wi-Fi adapter. This one, so we connect it also. With 2 antenna to put it in the back. After, so first we can remove the GPU to access the slot for this SSD and Wi-Fi adapter. So let's remove the GPU, and it's a bit hard. It's the lock. Yes. Wala. So I hope you see this. So let's put this. The motherboard comes with this plastic lock for the SSD. So we put this like this. I don't know if it's a bit ooh la la. It's a bit hard. Yes. So put this plastic. I already inserted the SSD to the socket. But no, we remove it first again. But we can put it first. This plastic. Put it here. It's a bit, voila. I think it's enough. Yes. So we put it here. Voila. Then and go something like that. Voila. Voila. I think it's not. No. It's like that. No. No. I think a little push. I think it's, yeah. I don't know if it's enough or not. Oh la la. It's very hard. Okay, let's try again. I think it's not. Yes. And next, our Wi-Fi adapter. So it comes with this cable, some screws, 2 screw, 2 antenna. So let's try. I think we just insert in the did you see that? No, this gun. This is not here. This is what? USB. I think we just put it here, but it's not. My God, I think I need to buy a new case for this. Because if it's something like this, like that, or like that, it's not aligned. Oh my God. So guys, this is my PC, the Alienware. It's working good now. Look, here she is. Even I didn't install the Alienware command. Did you see the strip lights and the cover? It's still working. Look, new components. New motherboard, new GPU, new cooling fan. It's working good now. It's very fast. It's an Windows 11. Look, it's very responsive. This is my SSD inside. I just put 2 SSD. One is for the Windows, the main SSD, and one is for our videos and photos. This one is the old one, and this one is the new one. The SSD NVMe. This one. Yeah. So thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel, Jerry DIY TV. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.